chicken,
steak,
shrimp, and fried rice on the Blackstone. Let's get it.
We're gonna start with some BaconUp.
Next, we're gonna get the rice down. This is day-old rice. It helps keep it from clumping together when you're cooking it. Now we're just gonna use these spatulas to get this all chopped up and mixed together. While we're getting the rice chopped up, we're gonna get the vegetables down on this side. We have onions, squash, and zucchini. On the rice, we're gonna add some unsalted butter. And we're also gonna add in some fresh minced garlic and then some garlic on the vegetables as well. Add some pepper to the vegetables.
And some salt. Now we mix them up. Yeah. Now put the dough on the vegetables.
Next, we're gonna add some low sodium soy to the rice and get that all mixed in. I know the beef's gonna take the longest of the meats to cook, so we're gonna put it on first. The steak's been marinating in very, very teriyaki sauce. It already has things like ginger and garlic and sesame seed and sesame oil mixed into it, so we're not needing to add any more seasoning to it. You'll notice I opened a little well in the rice. I'm gonna squirt some oil. I'm gonna crack 4 eggs. We're gonna get these eggs scrambled up and mixed in with the rice. The next longest to cook is the chicken. It's also been in that same teriyaki, very, very marinade. Just for Uncle Roger, we're gonna add some MSG. For everyone worried about cross-contamination, you see me laying my spatulas down on the griddle after each thing that I handle. And I'm doing that so that it sterilizes any bacteria that may have formed or been attached to those spatulas. I'm gonna add more soy sauce that needed a little bit more. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. And I'm also going to add some sesame oil. Just a little bit goes a long way with the sesame oil. And let's get that all mixed in. Once the steak is cooked to your preferred doneness, get it off and get it into a bowl. All right, my niece is gonna help me get the vegetables off now. Now it's time for the shrimp. We're gonna put down some BaconUp, dump those right in it. On the shrimp, we're gonna add some more garlic, and I'm adding a seafood seasoning blend to it. The rice is done, so I'm gonna use the food mover, I call it the food shovel, to get it all off. It's the easiest way to get large volumes of food off of your griddle. You can find it in the description for the video or by going to my profile and clicking on the link and choosing Amazon. Our chicken is now done. You can always check it by cutting one in half. As long as you don't see any pink, you're ready to go. The shrimp is done. And here are the finished products. We've got the steak, the chicken, the shrimp, the rice, and the veggies. We each picked our favorite meat for the first bite. I got steak.
I got steak.
I got shrimp.
Mine's delicious.
Mine's really good.
How's yours? Let's eat, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love the rest, and you can get started by clicking that one at the top of the screen. I would also be honored if you would subscribe to my channel by clicking the button at the bottom.